guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, or rather this week, we are going to be doing humongous PR hauls. I've kind of like let stuff gather for a while and just kind of opened the stuff that's on the top, and so now I'm like, oh my goodness, there's a lot that I have and I don't want to get behind on new releases for you guys and reviews and everything. So this week we're dedicating it. It's going to be a mail haul week. I'm so sorry we didn't have a video on Monday, but I'll be getting back to like my normal schedule here soon. I've been in like a really weird rut lately with YouTube and I'm really trying to get out of it. I think a lot of it is that I'm so disorganized, and so my friend Erin is actually going to be hopefully flying down here in August to help me just completely revamp my beauty room. I'm going to be doing declutters, probably lots of giveaways, a makeup collection video. So just stay tuned for all that. I think it's really going to help me get back into the game because it's just hard when you're disorganized and you can't collect your thoughts because you have like too much clutter. So I'm really excited. Let me know down below your organization like ideas. I kind of like the way that Raw Beauty Christy did her beauty room. She has like all clear shelves. I think that would help me a lot better so I can just see everything. So yeah, and I have a bunch of giveaways I'm working on too. So I love you guys. Thanks for hanging in there with me, and let's dive into the mail haul. So the very first package actually did come this week, and this is from Colourpop. Where are my scissors? There they are. Ooh, lots of yellow. So here's what the package looks like, and let's see what they sent over. So it says, IG's been buzzing over our palette, so you know we had to deliver a bright and sunny launch that's sweeter than honey. And it says, oh honey. So I'm guessing this is probably, I was thinking it was going to be, yeah, there's a yellow palette in here. Okay, so the first thing we have is a Colourpop Here We Glow Again face bundle. I've never saw one of these, so I'm really wondering what this is. Okay, so we have the turmeric face milk. I actually used this, the orange, not the orange. I actually used the watermelon one today and I really liked it. Then we have the Glow Up Face Oil. And then, okay, then we have a lip scrubby. This is actually a pretty nice size right here of the lip scrubby. So I'm very excited to try this out. Colourpop just always finds really cool ways to do things. I just feel like, I don't even know how many people they have working on their creative team, but I feel like every time I turn around, they're coming out with something new. Love that. Thank y'all so much. And then let's see what else is in here. We have the Pocket Full, oh my gosh, like Pocket Full of Sunshine. That is so cute. So you have like two different loose shadows. We have the Catch Some Sun brush set. Ooh, this would be interesting. Okay, and I don't know how much this retails for, but I have tried Colourpop brushes in the past and they were really nice. So here's what you get in this set. Really? This is only $20. I think that's a good deal. You're getting a total of 6 brushes and they're all eye brushes. So that's really awesome. I got a pocket full of sunshine. And also I wanted to let you guys know that I appreciate you guys so much for all of your feedback on my try on Lily Pulitzer video. I feel like you guys got to see a lot more of my personality in that video. Sometimes it's hard like when you're just showing products and stuff, and I'm always in like go mode, like trying to swatch and review and demo and this and that, and like some of the parts in that video that I left in like cracked me up. Like I turned around to show y'all this dress and it was like stuck in my underwear and I'm like, oh, okay. Or like I turned around and my shorts, I was talking about how they're not Hoochie Mama shorts. I just thought it was so funny. And then here is the Uh-Oh Honey palette. And today, you guys, I'm actually wearing the Huda Beauty Neon palette. I really want to do a tutorial for you guys because I am obsessing over those. Ooh, okay, so here is this. Lots and lots of yellow. I kind of expected a few browns. Like, I know we have these two shades, but maybe like a darker brown. That middle shade is stunning. It looks so gorgeous. So, thank you so much to Colourpop for that package. Again, very excited about this. And I'm going to be singing that song all day long. Another thing is a lot of you guys have been asking me about my tan and like what self-tanners I'm using. Normally when I use self-tanners, I typically use Loving Tan, but this right here is just pure sunshine from being outside. We have a pool at our house, so we're always like in the sun. Next package we have is from Makeup Forever, and this is the Accepted Anywhere, and it says Own Your Nude. So they came out with so many different nude shades, and I'm actually going to try to pick one that is going to be my nude. But along with me like doing a declutter and trying to get my life under wraps with organizing and things like that, I realized that, you know, sometimes I definitely don't need to keep every single thing that I got sent. And I really want to start giving back to you guys more. So this is a lot of nudes. Whoop. Okay, wow. So here's some of the nudes. I'm going to pick out the shade that I think is probably the best for me. And I'm kind of torn between these two. I might keep both, but I'm going to do 04 because that's the lighter one. And we're actually going to try this on right now because I do have on like a nudie shade since my lips were so bright. I like the applicator on this. And it's super flexible and creamy. I always just use my viewfinder. Like I'm like, it's fine. I don't need a mirror. So this is the shade 04, a really pretty shade. And it is a skin flattering liquid lipstick is what it says. Let me see if I have any of the information. So super comfortable. And again, they literally came out with so many different nude shades. So thank you so much to Makeup Forever for that package. I'm not going to spend too much time today and like swatch all these different things because again, I really want to get through all this PR so that way we are up to date and current for all the next videos. Okay, next one we have is from Boxycharm. This is actually last month's Boxycharm, so June, and here is what it looks like. Let's see what we have here. So the first thing we have is the Skin & Co. Roma Whipped Cleansing Cream. I do remember using this brand with a, it's like a gommage or something was what it was called. It came in my Ipsy bag. Then we have, ooh, something from Derma Cosmetics, which is Kristen Dominique's brand. I actually haven't tried anything from her line, so I'm excited that this came in the box. Let's put this over top of what I have on now because I definitely like this shade. Oh. Smells so good. It smells kind of like a funnel cake or something. My lip gloss is about to be popping. So there's that, really pretty. This is the shade Peach Tea. I like it. I like it. Then we have No Pore Problem Prime Essence. This is from Touch and Soul. I feel like I have been wanting to try this. So it says Prime Essence infused with flower extract tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky smooth for a better and long-lasting makeup. Dang, why didn't I open this box already? I mean, this just... Y'all, it had a freaking Tarte palette in it. What, Boxycharm? Oh my gosh, this is probably the best palette I've ever gotten. Like, honestly. Shoot, I think it's broke. Okay, we have a little bit of powder on the top. Let's see here. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, it's actually all together. This is like a $45 palette. I'm so sorry, y'all, that I'm like opening this late because I know that this box isn't available anymore, but like sign up for Boxycharm. They actually have already sent me this month's box because I am on their like PR list. I think I am allowed to show it after a certain date, so I have to check that date out and maybe do like an unboxing for this month. And then we have these Wonder Berry Antioxidant Sheet Mask, and it came with 3. So let's see how much this box total, because right now it's looking like a lot. Okay, we have the Tarte palette, $45 for the win. I knew the price. We have the Touch and Soul Pore Primer, or Pore Problem Prime Essence, $23. The Lemonade Lip Gloss is $17. The Cleansing Cream was $25, and then the Wonder Mask were $9 a piece, and you got 3, so... Why can I not add right now? 27, 9, 18, 27. Yeah, I think. Thank you so much to Boxycharm for that package. Next we have the Allure Beauty Box X Huda Beauty. So we know how I feel about Huda Beauty. I mean, I already have them on my eyes today. Where did my scissors go? I'm always losing my scissors. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. So it says, with passion and purpose, everyday dream is possible. Huda Katten of Huda Beauty. And you guys, I'm digging my eyeshadow today. I keep looking at my eyes because normally, y'all know I don't go big into color, but I like the palettes. Okay, so here's the little thing that comes with it. And then, oh my gosh, it came with like the hot pink like little bag. And we have an exclusive shade, I believe, called Alluring. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cute. in celebration of this collaboration. So I don't typically wear a ton of red, so I'm going to keep this for you guys. My envisionment of me redoing my beauty room is I have all of these white drawers, which y'all see when I do my makeup collection. And I kind of want to move those and put them in a closet to put like all of the stuff that I haul that I'm not going to keep. I'm just going to give away, give away, give away. There's a lot of stuff I want to donate to, so I'm just really excited about it. But yeah, I'll save this for one of you guys. And then let's see what else we have in here. Oh, I see eyelashes. Now we know Huda Beauty eyelashes are like my favorite. Okay, so these are one of my favorites. These are the Samantha lashes. So beautiful, like natural but sexy and still fluffy and full. So that's what the Samantha looks like. Okay, so the next thing in this box is the Tony Moly Intense Care 24 Karat Snail Hydrogel Mask. This looks like such a big mask, and it definitely has snails on the back. So I will have to read into this. Okay, and then let's see here. We have the Too Faced Hangover RX like little face primer. And then lastly, we have, I think it's Quay is how you say it, the Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray. I was on Snap earlier and I'm like, I wish that my hair could be like voluminous and stuff all the time. I need to start like doing stuff to it because, you know, I just use like shampoo and conditioner and go on about my day. But maybe I can spice it up every now and again, put a little something in it. Okay, so thank you so much to Allure Beauty for that box. You guys definitely check out that subscription too. Oh, and they gave me a little vanilla sample perfume from the, I think this is actually the Huda. Maybe it's not. I don't know. I'll leave it down below. Thank y'all so much for that box. We have a package from STILATZI. Okay, so it says STILATZI Dark Room Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, by Jordan Liberty. Haven't heard of him before, but I'm assuming maybe he's a makeup artist. They have really good eyeshadow palettes. So here's what it looks like. Dark Room. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Look at how pretty these shades are. You have a really nice mix of like some warm shimmer shades, and then you have like some really fun pops of color in here. Thank y'all so much. I'm excited to use this and test it out. It looks really nice. And again, that is from STILATZI. All right, next package we have came from Ofra. And yeah, as you can tell, a lot of these I haven't opened. So y'all know how excited I get to open things. It's like Christmas. Okay. Oh, that's kind of heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay, it says, hey beauties, ready to shine this summer? Our glosses are back in an all new packaging with a larger applicator so gloss goes on in one swipe. Look how many glosses! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show y'all my favorite shade. So this shade looks gorgeous. It is called, okay, I don't know what it's called. It's called Love. It's like a really pretty peachy pink. And then these two are beautiful. They're like very nude pink shades like I like. They are called Cherry Mocha and Chill Pink. Very pretty shades. This shade looks really fun. It's a like purpley glitter shade. I think it's called Orchard. I always feel like I pronounced that wrong. It's like a purple with shimmer. Thank you so much to Ofra for that package. I cannot wait to try these out. Next, we have a package from, oh my gosh, this is all the way from May. This is from Derma E. Thank y'all so much. I'm so sorry I'm late getting to these. Okay, they got tape on the sides. That's why it's not opening. Genius moment right here. Ooh. Now, I have been using the Derma E Scar Gel. Let me see if y'all can even, I don't even know if y'all can see it on my back. Yeah, you kind of can, where it's like kind of red right here. I got so friggin' burned in Mexico, you guys, that is like legit a scar from the trip. And I've been using the Derma E Scar Gel. I kind of slacked off on it. It was doing really well, but I think since I haven't been using it, you know, it's not working as much. Oh, okay. So first thing they sent, it says, natural hair, 'cause I care. These are like little hair ties, which are super cute. And then we have two different hair treatments. So this says Scalp Relief Shampoo and Scalp Relief Conditioner. I cannot speak today. So it says summer's right around the corner. Are you ready to show off your luscious locks? From pollution to chlorine and summer rays, your hair and scalp go through a lot. All you need is a little love and attention. This is supposed to help you achieve flawless hair, whether you have sensitive scalp, color treated hair, coarse hair. So yeah, I'm excited. I do need that because I bleach my hair. I do get in the chlorine a lot. So probably doesn't like me that much right now. So thank you so much to Derma E for that package. And this is actually another one that came from Ofra. Okay, so this is their, West End Micellar Water. It is a one-step cleansing water infused with vitamin C. And then we have the Tea and Biscuit Sea Scrub, which is a vitamin C scrub, and then another vitamin C scrub. So thank you so much to Ofra for sending this over. Okay, this came from Catrice Cosmetics. I can figure out how to get it open. It's like a tricky box. I don't really know what I'm getting myself into here. It says, hey Danielle, going for that I woke up like this complexion. Catrice has you covered with our newest primers. Fresh it up. Goodbye pores. These are gorgeous additions to our primer collection and will have you looking flawless all around the clock. Oh, it's like in a little paint can. I get so excited about packaging, y'all. If y'all only knew how many boxes I wish I could like keep everything that came in it. I'm trying to make sure I haven't missed anything. Okay. It says, prime your way to fine. And it's like a little paintbrush. This is so freaking cute. Okay. Thank goodness for the scissors. Oh, more of the little frilly things. Okay. All right. So we have the Fresh It Up Moisturizing with Bamboo Water. We have the Keep Me Matte Long Lasting. We have the Goodbye Pores Long Lasting Soft Focus Effect. And I think this is the last one, which is the Correct My Red Long Lasting Oil Free. So thank you so much to Catrice for such a cute package. This actually came a while ago. I forgot to show it. And it came to my P.O. box. So this is like an entire Betsey Johnson collection. I don't even know what all's in here. So the first one, it says Sparkle On Down. Okay, so these are all sealed, but let me at least open like one or two of them. Didn't even know that she had a makeup brand. But this is, oh, it's so cute. This is like the eyeshadow palette. And then, ooh, it has all kinds of different shades in here. And then they actually have a Pretty and Punk perfume, which I wonder if I'd like that smell. I don't know. It doesn't say what it smells like, so I need to look it up. But here's what it looks like. And I'm like overwhelmed because there's so much stuff. We have the Sparkle On Down, which is a double-ended lip gloss. We have a Falsies Fabulous Lash Kit. Fabulous. We have another Lip Love Kit. We have a Sparkle Hard. This is a Sparkle Hard highlighter powder with a brush. Lots of stuff. I need to look all this stuff up. We have another nude color kit and then another highlighting stick kit. So thank you so much to Betsey Johnson for this package. I'm not exactly sure what brand or what company sent this, but thank y'all so much. Okay, very last package actually came from Ipsy and Tetris. They did a collaboration and here's what it looks like. So cool. Okay, so the first palette we have is the Block Party palette. And it has all these different shades. I actually got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so I already have one that I've used. And the colors are really nice. Very pigmented. I always like end up getting turned to the side. Okay, this next one is the Game On palette. Ooh, here's what this one looks like. Very pretty colors. Very like summer appropriate too, I feel like. Gorgeous. And then we have the brushes. So you have 5 different brushes that came in the collection. I'll try to leave it linked down below for you guys too. I did try one of the blending brushes because it came in my Ipsy bag and it was really nice too. And then we have the Tetris and Ipsy highlighter. That is such a pretty gold. And the name of it is Tetris Life. And then we have some lip balms and glosses. So thank you so much to Ipsy for that package. Very last package. Y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but y'all know I always like saying thank you to brands and videos. And I cannot remember if I showed this in the other video, but Lancome sent me this huge package with mascaras, and so I just wanted to make sure if I didn't, or even if I did, I guess giving them another shout out here. But so many different mascaras, so thank y'all so much for that package. That's gonna be it for this video. I will have another mail haul going up probably on Friday, so stay tuned. That will be the rest of all the packages. There are so many. I want to thank every brand who is so kind to send me these. You guys for watching this video, because without y'all, I mean, none of this would be possible. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.